Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we will see this sum in oblique view. It is there for ICSE student for technical drawing application. Now they are given elevation and plant. O left hand side 110. So I will mark 110 on the left hand side. Then I'll mark 45 degree and height width is 50 and height is 100. So I will draw a box like this. Now if I'll see in front view, see this part is 1 unit. This is second. Right, so I will start with this bigger part. So first I will take 45. Then I'll draw vertical line. See how much is this distance? This is 25. You go down. This is 50. You take half, 25. Then from here you draw 30. Then 20. This is vertical. Now from this center I can draw 10, 10 because they have said square side 20. This distance is 20. So this part is done. Now we'll take this behind this point. And we'll draw horizontal line. So whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, we can draw this part 1. This part is done. This goes inside by 10. That will do it afterwards. Right now we are drawing the same circle behind, so we'll take center behind by 50, we'll take radius 25 and we will draw curve. And we'll draw tangent. Now after this, I'll take this point also behind. It is given 2020, so I can mark 2020 on both the sides. then you join. You can join behind also. But now we need to see this part, inclined portion, which is given 30 degree. So I can draw a line from here. This will be dark, this will be dark. Now height, we don't know how much height. So what we need to do, we need to draw it outside and we need to find height. So it is 110 minus 45, so 65. So we'll draw a horizontal line of 65, we'll draw angle 30 degree and we'll find out height like this. So whatever height we will get, that we need to transfer. So you take the height, and you cut it like this. And you draw slope like this. Now they're given 10, width is 10. So that way you will take 10, 10 on both the sides and you will join the required slope. And you draw a line from here. This line will be dark. And this square box is 10 mm deep. So you can take 10 mm and you can draw a parallel line. So we are done with oblique. Only one line is remaining at the bottom. This one. So we are done with this oblique. I hope everyone understood. Thank you.